Sick of wasting your Suno AI credits just to get the right male or female voice? Let's be real, Suno AI is an incredible tool, but trying to keep the same voice across your tracks can be frustrating. For instance, no matter how much I tweaked my prompts for a male voice, Suno kept giving me a female one. Well, that struggle is finally over with Suno AI's new personas feature. Now you can lock in the exact voice you want and keep it consistent across all your tracks. So here is one of my songs which I decided to capture the persona on.
I'm searching for my freedom. It's all I ever wanted. A life I've always dreamed of, where I can do anything that I wanted. But the system's got its chains wrapped tight on me. Every step I take, it's like I'm paying to be free. Motivation, about to ignite. Dedication is in full might. Goals never taken out of my sights. If you sleep on your dreams, better sleep tight.
The Personas feature addresses a fundamental challenge in AI music generation by enabling creators to maintain consistent musical characteristics across multiple tracks. Previously, it was very difficult to make two tracks sound like they were produced by the same artist, even when using the same settings. Some workarounds included using something like Kit's AI, which is still a very good workaround for extreme consistent vocals. Now there are some limitations with Suno AI's new persona feature as it is still in beta. However, I'll get back to that in a bit. For now, let me show you how easy it is to create a persona. Creating your first persona. In order to access this, you will need the Pro or Premier plan. Use my link in my link tree, and when you create 10 songs, we both receive 250 free credits. Under the Create page, you'll see this feature called Persona Beta. As you can see, I already created a persona here. By clicking on Create a Persona, you'll be able to select a song from your song's history. Here, you can set a name for this persona, and you'll be able to upload an avatar or have Suno generate an avatar for this persona with their AI image generator. You can enter in your description such as male vocals or female vocals, etc. And here you'll be able to set your personas as private or public. Setting it to public gives the Suno AI community access to your personas. Access other personas. So you might be wondering how to access other creators' personas. Well, on the home page, you'll see different sections. For example, if you scroll down, you'll see creators you may like. If you click on an individual creator's Suno AI page, you'll be able to see their songs, playlist, and personas. If they made their persona public, you'll be able to use their personas. Persona limitations. So let's discuss some of the limitations with personas. As I mentioned earlier, it is only available to Pro and Premier plan subscribers. However, you get 200 free songs initially using the persona feature, after which each song costs 10 points. Another limitation is that it cannot be used with the extend feature, also the cover feature that they launched previously. Well, personas don't work for covering existing songs as well. However, keep in mind this feature is new and still in beta. The last limitation I want to cover is that it doesn't work with audio uploads for creating personas from your own voice. You know, this feature here, upload audio, and I'd also like to mention that the vocal fidelity stays fairly consistent, though it might not fully capture unique singing styles. What genres work best with Suno AI's Personas feature? Based on user experiences and testing, here's a comprehensive analysis of how Suno AI's Personas feature performs across different genres. Strong performance genres. Electronic music, electronic-based genres show consistently strong results, particularly EDM and dubstep, achieving up to 70% natural sounding results. Lo-fi, ambient, and chill wave, vaporwave, and 80s electronic pop and commercial styles. Chart-oriented and mainstream genres demonstrate reliable performance. Pop punk and glam rock show notable success. Contemporary R&B produces good results. Country music generates consistently well-received output. Genre-specific limitations. Less effective genres. The Personas feature shows some limitations with generic-y rock and pop variations, harder to maintain consistent style, experimental and complex rhythmic patterns, heavy metal with intricate cymbal work, opera and classical music, not recommended. Technical considerations. The effectiveness of personas varies based on genre characteristics. Clear-cut genres like reggae show better consistency. Loop-based electronic drums perform particularly well. Vocal consistency remains somewhat challenging across all genres. Simpler, well-defined musical styles tend to produce more reliable results. For optimal results when using personas, focus on genres with distinct, consistent characteristics, rather than complex or highly variable styles. The feature is still in beta, so performance may improve over time. Tips and tricks. Try creating multiple versions of the song to achieve the desired vocal consistency. Document the prompts and settings that deliver the best results for future reference. For better control, consider using distinct personas for different vocal styles instead of stretching a single persona's versatility. If you create a reggae persona, keep the genre moving forward to reggae for the best consistency. Please note, this feature is still in beta, so some inconsistencies may occur. Suno AI is continuously working to improve vocal stability across various musical styles and genres. The new Personas feature in Suno AI provides a game-changing solution for maintaining consistent vocal styles across multiple tracks. Despite a few limitations, it has made working with Suno much easier when aiming for a professional finish that's consistent across a project or album. I'm excited to see where Suno AI takes this, especially once they roll out enhancements to allow for audio uploads and improve its capability across challenging genres. For now, remember to play around with different prompts, take advantage of the beta feedback system, and use the community personas to enhance your own creations. The potential is huge, and with every iteration, it's only getting better.
They was praying that I lose, I left them disappointed. I ain't trying to talk for nothing, gotta make appointments. They don't see the grind, only when it's all anointed. Success ain't overnight, but when it comes, enjoy it. They was praying that I lose, I left them disappointed. I ain't trying to talk for nothing, gotta make appointments. They don't see the grind, only when it's all anointed. Success ain't overnight, but when it comes, enjoy it.